Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Kind of a fun little video making a cube. And there's several ways you could do it and several ways you could make it maybe actually look better than this. I might play around with it. But I just picked Epilogue Laser, CorelDraw, and the cube. And I took a 6-sided polygon. And I take a 2-point line and I go to the center. Then I draw a line to the center and a line from there to the center and a line to there from the center. And I've got a cube. I'm going to go ahead and move this stuff out of the way for a second because I want to seal these up. So I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to move them over. And then I am going to left click, right click. I'll left click on no fill and a right click on that outline. Now, I think it's better if you don't have the words right up to the edge of the border. So we're going to take this and we're going to go to effects and we're going to go to contour. We're going to contour to the inside 1/4 of an inch with square corners because we're working with something square. I'm just going to click on all 3 of them. I think I actually made that move. So I'm going to, yep. I'm just going to back up and do it again. So now I'm going to take all these and I am going to go to object and I'm going to break the 6 objects apart. And then I'm going to take that and move it over. Let's tell you what, let's move it over twice. And then we're going to take Epilogue Laser to kind of get it in there close. And then we're going to grab the envelope tool. And the most important thing you do after you do the envelope tool is to get rid of some of the nodes. Get rid of those nodes by selecting them, get rid of those nodes. So you just got 4 corner nodes. Then select all 4 corners and right click and turn them into a line. That way they're going to remain straight. So we're going to put that on that node. We're going to put that node on that node. And we're going to put that node on that node. And we're going to put that node on that node. That's all that's to it. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Now I'm going to take CorelDraw. I'm actually going to put it on this side this time. Get it kind of in there close. So it doesn't matter what size your font is per se, because it's going to stretch out to there. I'm going to delete the middle ones. I'm selecting them and deleting. Select all 4. Turn them into a line. If you don't turn them into a line, maybe the next one I won't do it to a line. You'll see what goes on. Then I'm going to go up to that node. I'm going to go to that node. I'm going to go to that node. And then sometimes you have to back off and then go to that node. Now we're going to get the word, the cube, put it in there. Do the exact same thing. This time I'm not going to turn it into a line, and you'll see why you want to do that. I deleted too many. Now, I did not turn them into a line. Look what's happened. You could still do it, but you're going to have to move all these handles. So select them all and right click and turn them into a line. That way they're going to stay, be a perfectly straight line. Now we still have that other box over there. So what I'm going to do now, whoop, I must have moved that. I don't know how I moved my box. My box isn't where it should be. Let me back up. Tell you what, if that ever happens, see how I've got that box out of place? Let's just delete it. Let's take this box right here and contour it again. Go up to object, break contour apart. Then we can just move that over. There we go. Do the exact same thing. Get the envelope tool. Delete these 2 nodes. Select all that. Right click it to a line. I had all the nodes selected. Just take it to there. Take it to there. It'll actually snap to, if you have snap to objects on, which is right here. Now what we can do is we can right click no outline. We'll make them this light I still have the box. Make that font. There we go. You have to actually click on the font. You can see down here the cube on layer 1. Go to Corel. See here, I don't have it really picked. Let's see what happens. Nope, I don't have it. I've got it not picked. Went back too far. Now, if you ever have that happen, you can move that down and then right click it and move it back. Now, all we have to do now is turn these lines. I'm going to right click. I'm going to make them a little bit thicker than a hairline. And then I'm going to move them over. And then I'm going to put a black box around it. It really, the black box really makes it stand out. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. And thank you for watching.